Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Nicholas, the founder of Leaderlevel, and today I'm gonna show you how you can use Leaderlevel easy for your business to post on every social media platform to gain your audience. Okay, let's dive direct to it. So, at first, you have to connect your accounts. As you can see, you can connect with your Google business account, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. What I'm going to do today is I want to post on LinkedIn. Okay, this is my LinkedIn profile. Let's think about what do I want to post. I'm not sure yet, so let's generate something with the help of AI. Easy as that. So what do I want to post? Let's think about 3 important skills as a entrepreneur. Okay. So. Okay. Let's think about what do we want to write. I want to write. You need the right mindset. You need to build up your network, and you have to work more than in your 9 to 5 job. Make a call to action at the end of post that people should leave a comment. Okay, so let's write entrepreneur is the keyword, business mindset. Yeah, let's leave it like this. Now you get the tone. You select the tone you want. I use casual. I only want 2 variations, and please make a large one. Let's generate. So the AI will generate for you with your keywords right now suitable text for your caption for your social media post. Okay, let's see what we have here. 3 important skills as entrepreneur. Okay. Okay, I take this one. Let's see, where is the call to action? Here is the call to action. I want this call to action at the end. Okay, let's make it more strict. What are your I'm not a native speaker. Sorry for this. Is it challenges? Yes, it is. Yeah. Continue. So, okay, we have a nice text with the suitable keywords. We can make a follow-up comment. Tell me your daily challenges in your business. This will be the first comment. Okay, that's fine, but now we need a picture. We can upload pictures, we can create with the AI pictures, or let's look what we have here. We can use Unsplash or Pixabay. Let's type in entrepreneur. So what do we have here? Leave this entrepreneur. What do we take? I take this one. Okay, it's uploading. So, now I can save this for later. I can send this for approval. For example, when you have an VA who is creating all those postings for you, they send it to you for approval. You can schedule it for later. I will post it right now. Okay? Easy as that. As you saw, everybody can create postings with this. You can post it everywhere, on Instagram, Google My Business for search engine optimization, whatever. So for you to understand this, it's easy as that. So you don't need any skills. With the help of AI, you get pictures, you get the content, you get everything. You can schedule it. You can sit here for whatever, an hour, and make all those postings for the rest of the month. Okay? Also important for you to understand is, what you can do is you can upload a CSV file. Some people like to create it in a CSV file and then upload everything here. It's easy as that. So please like, follow, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like this video and what challenges you have with posting on social media. Also, I will leave a link in the description for a trial of Leaderlevel. So normally it's just a 7 days trial, but I will leave the link with a 14-day trial, okay? So that you can test it by yourself and see if you like it. There are much more things which I can share with you in the next videos, which Leaderlevel can, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.